What I know now, deep in I know it then, oh my god, I would have grabbed all their products and used them. My skin went from this to this. My skin went from this to this. And one of the products I used to use is this same affordable skincare product. When I was growing up then, I used to see all these Dove body lotions, Nivea, and I'll be like, oh, this brand, their product used to make someone dark, and I didn't want to get dark, so I'll be avoiding the product. Like, I'll be avoiding their product. Instead, I'll be looking for maybe like a Bismuth and all these lightening products. I didn't know I was sleeping on good things, and then they were pretty affordable, very cheap. Or like now that their price are a bit although they are still affordable to compare with other skincare products, okay, but at least then you can get Nivea product for like 2,000, 2,500, you know. You can also get Dove and all these Vaseline products for like 2,000. You know, they were very cheap then to compare with other ones. Even at that, but what I know now, deep in I know it then, oh my god, I would have grabbed all their products and used them. I don't know whether any of you have experienced this. My skin went from this to this. My skin went from this to this, and one of the products I used to use is this same affordable skincare product, which is all this moisturizer, all this cheap lotion or affordable lotion or affordable moisturizer. So if you have Nivea, if you have Vaseline, if you have Dove, any affordable moisturizer, you can get them and this will work for you. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to activate my affordable body lotion to still use it to brighten and glow my skin. My skin is glowing and I still use this lotion. I can use any lotion, even Dove, even Vaseline, any lotion, just any one you have in your hand right now. Please still use it. With this method I'm going to teach you, you're going to still get the effectiveness of the lotion. I like this lotion very well. This lotion is very nice. Like, I've been using it and I love it. I don't think I'm going to stop using this lotion. This lotion is so moisturizing. Like, when you feel applied to your body feels so sweet. So this lotion is a very good lotion. So if you have this, you can use it. If you have Vaseline, bring it on. If you have Dove, any affordable lotion you have, or any moisturizer, these practical tips are going to be helpful for you. So let's jump right into the video. The way to activate my affordable body lotion or moisturizer is, the first step is exfoliation. When you exfoliate, it will help other of your product to work effectively. If you exfoliate your skin, your skincare product, no matter how affordable it is going to work. Make sure you exfoliate your skin and use very good exfoliating scrub. Maybe you can use this one from the Gold vitamin C scrub. This scrub is very nice. This scrub is going to help to clear dead skin. It's going to help to brighten your skin. If you use this scrub alongside with this lotion or any other affordable moisturizer, it's going to work effectively. When you use this, or you can use the Dr. Mina Alpha Butane sugar scrub, or you can use any scrub that contain any active inside, like vitamin C, like any scrub that contain kojic acid, or any scrub that contain turmeric, or any scrub that contain AHA in it. Please use those scrubs. Those scrubs will help very well when you're mixing it with your affordable body lotion. Okay, when you exfoliate your skin 3 times in a week, please don't exfoliate more than 3 times. If you have a sensitive skin, please exfoliate once. But if you have a normal skin, you can exfoliate 3 times. If you have an oily skin, you can exfoliate 3 times. But if you have a sensitive skin, please guys, exfoliate once or twice in a week. When you exfoliate your skin and use this on your body, seriously, it's going to work. This is what I do. I exfoliate my skin and I use this Nivea vitamin C body lotion, and it's very nice. Like, I love this lotion so much. It's about finishing. I don't know, like, you see, I love it so much. I love the consistency. It's lightweight and it still does the job. When you use this lotion with this, you get effective results. Okay, the next step on how I activate my affordable body lotion or my moisturizer is, I use lightning bar soap. Like the bar soap I use here, I use this Ashanti papaya and honey soap. This soap is very nice. This soap will help to brighten your skin. This is carrot and honey. This is papaya and honey. These 2 soap are very nice. I use them. I use this and I use this on my skin. I use this to wash my skin. Then I go in with this. You understand? I use this too and it gives me effective result. Like, I use this too on my skin and it's very nice. Your skin is going to glow. If you use this soap, use this, or use this soap with your normal Dove or your Vaseline, it's still going to give you the same result. This soap is a brightening bar soap. and it's very, very good. I love this Ashanti soap very, very well. And also sometimes I use this Koji Sand soap alongside with this. All these things are brightening bar soap, but I use it only 3 times in a week, and I use it mostly at night. I use it together with this, and you still get your effective result. When you mix these two combo, seriously, your skin is going to look good, your skin is going to look nice, and your skin is going to brighten. When you use this and use this, it's going to activate this lotion and it will work effectively. You don't need to pro-mix this lotion. Please don't pro-mix this lotion. Just use this, and with other method I'm going to tell you, and your body lotion is going to still work effectively, and it's going to help to glow your skin and brighten your skin. Okay, so these are the 3 soaps I use with this lotion, and I still get effective results. Okay, so the next thing I use on my skin to activate my moisturizer or my cheap lotion or affordable lotion is I use this alongside with the lightening shower gel. So this is a shower gel I use here. I use this SK Duchess L-Glutathione shower gel. I use this alongside with this. You can use this. You can also use this SK, the one that is blood orange. I'll put all the picture on the screen. That one is very, very good. It's a lightening shower gel. When you use a lightening shower gel with your affordable moisturizer, it still does the job. This one helps to activate the work of this. Okay, when you use this to lighten your skin and use this to moisturize your skin, you're going to love your skin. When you use these 2 combo, this is what I practically use. Like my skin, this is what I use. I'm not a skincare creator that just tell you buy this. I practice what I preach. I practice what I preach because I use it, and when I use it, I'll tell you this is what it is. As you can see, do you see any stretch mark on my body? This is what I use. All these products are products I've used and products I'm currently using, and you will get effective results. Just use your lightening shower gel with your affordable lotion, and you will still get effective results. Okay, so guys, have you gotten to this point? Please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube. Please subscribe. Okay, so the next step on how to activate your affordable lotion is by using a lightening body oil. Use the lightening body oil and you will get effective results. This is the lightening body oil I use alongside with this. So when I use this and use this, after using this, I top this on top on my skin, and it's so wonderful. Like my skin will glow, my skin will brighten. Like as you can see, my skin is shiny, right? I use this too on my skin, and it's glowing, and it makes my skin, it brightens my skin. So this will activate the work of this. So if you use the lightening body oil with your affordable body lotion, it's going to still work. Okay, so if you have any body lotion in your house and your body moisturizer or your affordable lotion, and you want it to still work, and you want your skin to still glow, and you want your skin to still brighten, please use this method and it will work effectively. Okay, the next step on how I activate my affordable body lotion is to double cleanse. On the day of my double cleansing, I'll exfoliate my skin with my scrub. Then I will go in with my Ashanti papaya soap. After scrubbing, I'm going to use the Ashanti papaya and wash my skin. After washing my skin, the first one, then I will now go in with my shower gel, my lightening shower gel. Okay, I'll use this shower gel. After I've rinsed off this, I'll leave this for some minutes, then I'll use this, then leave this for some minutes on my skin. Maybe during that time I can be brushing my teeth while this sits on my skin before I now wash it off. So when I finish doing that, then I'll go in with my Nivea body lotion and apply on my skin. Then I'll go in with my body oil, and it still does it, and it still helps to brighten your skin, but you have to be consistent with it. And the next step is, please apply your sunscreen. Okay, apply your sunscreen on your skin, not after doing all these good wonderful steps and you end up going under the sun without applying the sunscreen. Except you're the type that don't go out, that's fine, but if you always go out, please apply sunscreen on your skin. Okay, when you use all these steps I've mentioned, it's going to help to lighten, brighten, and glow your skin. This lotion doesn't lighten, it only glows your skin. With the effect of all these things to help to brighten your skin. So the next step on how to activate your lotion is to add a serum to your lotion. I don't mean pouring it inside. Like when you get your serum, you apply it on your hand, then you pour your lotion, then apply on your body. Don't mix anything. I don't support mixing of products except you're a chemist or you are a skincare formulator. Okay, so when you use a serum, like you can use the QI plus serum with your lotion, and it's still going to make it very effective. Okay, if you have any body moisturizer or you have any affordable lotion on your house, or any cheap lotion. I can't call them really cheap now because they're not actually cheap, but at least they are affordable to compare with other body lotion out there, okay? But they're still relatively affordable. This one I got it for like 5,000 naira, so it's affordable to compare with other body lotion. So that's why we call it cheap. It's not like it's cheap, but at least it's affordable to compare with other body lotion. So if you use all this and do this method I've shown you, seriously, you're going to get maximum result. If you apply this on your skin and apply all these other products I've told you, you're going to get effective result. Like when people ask you which body lotion are you using, and when you tell them Nivea, they'll be like, are you serious? They'll be surprised because it's the same Nivea and your skin is still glowing and your skin is still bright and your skin is still good. Okay, so if you want to activate your body lotion, please do all these steps I've told you. These are what I do. I always practice what I preach. Okay, so do this and you're going to get effective results from your affordable moisturizers. Okay, please don't throw away your body lotion, don't throw away your cheap lotions away. Okay, do this and come back and thank me later. So guys, if you have any affordable moisturizer in your house and you've been practicing this method I've taught you, please do well to comment down below. And if you have any method that have been working for you, please do well to share in the comment section. I'll be in the DM. Okay, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do, and give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.